Alright, hello once again. Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College. And as part of the Rankin Technical College AWD, or Application and Website Development program, and in particular the AWD 1112 Application Programming with Java class, I'm doing a series of video presentations based on the two textbooks that are used for the class. I'm still in the first textbook, Java Quick Syntax Reference. It has 23 chapters, 22 of which are on the PDF. I have done the first 18 chapters, so I've got 19 through 23 left. Alright, so that moves me to chapter 19, which are enums. An enum, which is short for an enumeration, is basically allows you to create your own variable type. Okay? Alright. They say it's a type that consists of a fixed list of named constants, which is true. When you create one, you use the keyword enum, followed by a name, which typically is uppercase like this, to differentiate from a regular Java variable, which is all lowercase, or a Java constant, which is all uppercase. The access level is the same for a class. By default, it's packaged private, but as it says, you can set it to public. Now, this, for lack of better words, is creating a new variable type. Okay, and speed, and I don't remember if that's 0 or if that's 1. I think it's 0, 1, 2, 3. I could be wrong where that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, but when I use it, now I can make a new variable called s of type speed, and that can hold either stop, slow, normal, or fast, and that's it. What an enum can do is it can make your program more self-documenting. All right. So the author says here, the switch statement provides a good example of when an enumeration can be helpful. Compared to using ordinary constants, an enum has the advantage of allowing the programmer to clearly specify what constant values are allowed. This provides compile time type safety. So here, notice we've got a switch, and we've got slow, all right, and really the only thing we could have in here for cases would be slow, stop, normal, and fast. We could put in a default, but technically we wouldn't need to because it should be impossible for S to hold anything but stop, slow, normal, or fast. In Java, the enum type, as it says, is more powerful than it is in other languages like C# or C++. It is essentially a special kind of class that can include anything that a class can include. All right? To add a class member to it, it must be terminated by a semicolon, as you can see. Now, when I've used these, I've only used them like this. I haven't added anything like that. Doesn't mean there's anything wrong with it. I'm just telling you from my own personal experience. All right. You know, one way that I could do this, I could say enum grades, and I could have their A, B, C, and F. Here at Rankin Technical College, we don't give out D's. All right, and that would mean that the only kind of grades we could get would be those. There wouldn't be an A minus, an A plus, a B minus, a B plus, a C minus, a C plus, a D minus, a D plus, or an F plus or an F minus. There would just be A, B, C, and F. All right. The author says if you want to do this, to set this field, it says a constructor needs to be added as well. To me, that's too much work. If you don't agree, you use it. It's not a problem. Another difference is that enumerated types have, as it says there, when you compare them, sorry about that, to regular classes, is that they explicitly extend from the Java lang enum class. All right, so the compiler will automatically add two static methods to the enumeration, values and value of. Values returns an array of the constant elements that are in there, so like stop, slow, normal, etc. And value of returns the enum constant of the specified name. That was quick, as they all have been lately, but that gets me to Chapter 20 on exception handling, so I'll be back with that one momentarily.